Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y35 and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to here we have to scroll in order to find the apps. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on see all 65 apps, of course 65 in my case, and tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to tap on reset up preferences, and here your device is informing you that it will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's more, no worries, you won't lose any app data, so simply tap on reset apps. And basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your VIVO Y35. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.